Hey guys, my name is Irama Moses. In this new video, we are going to prepare Asana, which is called Ghana Coca-Cola in our dialect. So let's roll it. I'm going to use popcorn kernel to prepare this recipe. I need only 2 cups, so we are going to measure 2 cups into my bowl. Then we will soak it for 3 days. Then after 3 days, we will proceed. It's day 3 of our Asana process, so I want to show you how my yellow corn is looking. I hope you guys can see. So I'm going to strain the water from it and I will wash it. Can you see that? I will transfer it here, then I will wash it. I hope you can see, because we will be going to water our yellow corn every day for it to germinate. So I'm going to transfer it into my colander. Make sure you spread your yellow corn apart, then you cover it. So we will proceed the next day when I'm watering my yellow corn for it to germinate. Today what I'm going to do is that I'm going to water our yellow corn. You need to water it morning and evening for 4 days. So this is the second day. Yesterday I didn't show it on the camera, and I'm going to repeat the same process till the 4 days is up. Then we will move to the next step. So I'm going to cover it again and I will leave it here for it to germinate nicely. So guys, I can continue tomorrow when I'm sprinkle water on it, or even this evening, but I can't do all that in camera, and sometimes it makes your video too long. That's why I'll just summarize it. So this is the process. Thank you. Hello guys, it's day 3 of our Asana process, and it's time for me to water my yellow corn. You can all bear with me that seed need more water and oxygen, and also proper temperature in order to germinate. So that's why I make sure I water my yellow corn morning and evening. I hope you can see that some of them are, can you see that? It has even started germinating already. I hope you can see that. So after I have watered it, I will cover it again and I will place it where it was for it to continue germinating for me. So it's day 4 today. By day 4, the corn should germinate. So I'm going to open it, then you will see. Let me show you to the camera. See how beautiful it is. We are going to begin our drying process now. So I'm going to transfer my germinated yellow corn into something that will help it to dry easily for me. If you are in Africa, you can dry this in the sun, but I'm in UK, so I'm going to dry this. I'm lucky the weather is good today. It's sunny and we are heading towards summer, so the weather is not too bad. So I'm going to dry this in my balcony. I'm going to put it outside so that the sun can shine on it for it to dry quickly for me. At this point, I'm going to grind it, then we will start boiling our Asana. Let's proceed. So I'm going to add this to my blender here. Guys, with this, make sure you have a good grinder. If you don't have good grinder, you will spoil your blender or the grinder that you will use to grind this. So because of the noise, I'm not going to do too much video on the grinding, but after grinding it, I will show you guys.
Simple remedy.
I'm going to add 2 cups of germinated grounded yellow corn into it. So I've already placed, I'm using 3 liters of water, but already placed 1.5 liters, so I'm going to add 1 cup, then we will add another cup, then I will add another 1.5 liter of water to it and bring it to a boil. We are going to boil this for 1 hour. Then I will add my At this point, I'm going to prepare my syrup for my Asana. I'm using 1.5 cups of sugar. We are going to stir this until our sugar is dissolved or it has changed the color to brown. Then we will mix it with our Asana. When you are doing this, make sure you will do this on the medium heat, guys. Guys, I just want to show you my Asana solution there. Can you see that after boiling for 1.5 hours, the color has been changed as well, and our sugar is not ready yet. I'm waiting for my sugar to dissolve completely. Then we will mix it with our Asana solution, guys. So this is how you can use your popcorn kernel to prepare your Asana. Make sure you keep stirring, yeah? You have to stir in between so that your sugar will not burn. Keep stirring this until the sugar starts to bubbling. I hope you can see how my sugar has started bubbling before you add your Asana solution. Can you see that? So we are going to add our Asana solution to it. Guys, when you are adding your Asana solution, you have to be extremely careful because it's hot before you hurt yourself. I hope you guys can see. Guys, as I was saying, when you are adding your solution, you have to be extremely careful before you burn yourself. I nearly burned my hand, you know. That's why I have to cut it. I have to cut that bit. I nearly burnt myself. So guys, if you want your Asana to taste really nice, you can see the color. I hope you guys can see the color of our Asana. You have to leave it to cool completely before drinking it. You can drink it the same day you prepare your Asana. However, it tastes much better when you leave it to sit for 1 to 3 days after preparing it. So I'm going to leave mine for the next day before I will serve it. Guys, let me know your views by dropping your comments on my comment section. If you have any questions about this recipe, don't hesitate to put your comment and I'm going to reply you as soon as possible. Guys, I love you, and I just want to say a very big thank you to my loyal subscribers and viewers. Guys, I love you so much. Every day when I check this channel, I see my channel is growing day by day. God bless each and every one of you. I love you so much. When I serve it, I'm going to show you and we will enjoy it together. The sun is out there, so this is so refreshing when you have this with your ice cube and some milk. Guys, oh my God, you will prepare this every weekend. Hello ebusiafo, yan Asana is served. Look at that. Look how our Asana is looking. And summer is approaching. This is very refreshing. You can prepare this for your visitors. You can prepare this at home and you can enjoy it with your family as well. Guys, when you go to Ghana, you will find this drink on the roadside to buy or at the market. But what they normally serve in it is either your sandwich bag or you can use your calabash. So I'm going to demonstrate to you guys to see how we serve our Asana back home. I hope you guys can see, and also you can add milk to it. With the milk, I'm using evaporated milk. When you add milk to your Asana, it tastes really yummy and refreshing. Guys, Look at that. It tastes really yummy. Equilemi. Guys, I hope you can see. I prefer to drink mine in the calabash. Yeah, I will serve mine in calabash. Look at that. It's so refreshing. Guys, imagine summer, you want to go to park with your children and you have this drink. You will enjoy yourself with your family. Guys, you can do this for parties. You can, when you are having a house party or anything like that, you can have this drink. Guys, I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you have any questions about this recipe, kindly put it on my comment section and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you guys. Subscribe.